Guys, could you believe that these AI animal haircut videos are blowing up right now? Channels in this niche are gaining hundreds of thousands of followers and pulling in millions of views with super simple content. And the crazy part is, most people think it's hard to make, but it's actually not. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create these viral videos step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. No complicated setup, no expensive tools. And to prove it, here's a video I created in under 3 minutes that's already getting insane engagement. To get started, head over to ChatGPT and look at the left sidebar. You'll see an option called Explore GPTs. Click on that, and in the search bar, type in Animal Haircut Generator. Once it shows up, click on it and then hit Start Chat to open it. From there, click to begin the generator. The tool will guide you through a simple setup. It'll ask you to choose an animal and a hairstyle. For this example, I'm going with a lion and selecting a mohawk-style haircut. Once you've made your choices, hit the Send button and give it a few seconds to generate everything. What this GPT does next is where things really get powerful. It automatically creates 2 highly detailed image prompts along with a complete video prompt, all structured specifically for this kind of viral content. So you don't have to figure anything out manually. Start by copying the first image prompt it gives you. Then head over to Google Flow. I'll leave the link in the description so you can access it easily. Once you're inside, go to the image generation section and make sure you're using the Nano Banana 2 model. Paste your prompt into the prompt box, then set your output to a 9:6 aspect ratio and 2K quality so you get sharp, high detail results. You can choose how many images you want, then go ahead and generate. Once your images are ready, take a close look at them. Pay attention to the lighting, textures, and overall realism. These details are what make the content feel premium and scroll-stopping. Pick the image that stands out the most and set it as your reference. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. Paste it into Google Flow just like before. Keep all your settings exactly the same for consistency, but this time, generate just one image. When it finishes, you'll now have your second image. In my case, it's a lion with a clean mohawk haircut, and this is exactly the kind of visual that grabs attention instantly. Now let's turn these into a video. For this part, we'll be using InVideo AI with the Seedance 2.0 model. Again, I'll leave the link in the description. Inside InVideo AI, select the image to video workflow and choose Seedance 2.0 as your model. Upload your first image as the starting frame and your second image as the ending frame so the AI knows how the transformation should play out. Next, go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt it generated. Paste that into InVideo AI. Make sure audio is enabled so your final video includes sound. Then, set your output to a 9:6 aspect ratio, 720p resolution, and around 15 seconds in length. Once everything is set, go ahead and generate your video. Let's preview it. And just like that, you'll have a smooth, high-quality transformation clip that looks exactly like the viral videos you've been seeing. This entire process is simple, repeatable, and insanely effective once you get the hang of it. That's the full workflow from start to finish. All the tools you need are linked in the description. And if you want more breakdowns like this on viral AI content, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's coming next.